Rosae. Hey, hey, Rosae. Huh? Hey, Rosae. Hey, hey, Rosae. Say what? Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you doing? You doing good? You doing swell, peachy, rosy? Ugh, okay, I'm not. I'm super happy about this tutorial because, I mean, it is kind of quick and not talkative, but I have recorded like 6 videos-ish and like scrapped them, so this is like finally a good one. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. Alright you guys, so second time filming today. We'll see how it goes. It's been a day, let me just tell you guys. Alright, so I just put some bronzer on my eyes, really, and now I'm just gonna glue some like rhinestones on my eyes as eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm going to use this Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Outlaw. It's a red. And I'm going to put a couple roses on my cheeks. Alright everybody, this is a finished look. I know I didn't talk very much, but my family is home and they're, you know, living and doing their thing and talking and having a great time, so I'm about to go out there and join them. But yeah. Can you take that for me? The plate. Thank you.
Yes, darling.
Love ya.
Love you back.
Love you more. I think so. Right. So I'm about to go out there with my family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know it wasn't very talkative, but you know, it's what it is. Oh, I should add some little white highlights. What am I thinking about? Hope you guys enjoyed. I think I've said that like 50 times now. Oh my god, okay, shut up. Goodbye.